In this video, I'm going to give you some pointers on selling software for fun and profit. Now, there's lots of different types of software that you can sell. You can sell software and apps for PCs, for Macs, for smartphones, or for tablets. And you can sell software and apps that you've created yourself. You can hire a programmer to create it for you. You can resell PLR software. You can sell software as an affiliate, or you can sell a combination of all of the above. So how do you get started in this very lucrative business? Well, it all starts with an idea, or better still, a need and an idea of how to fill it. So what would make your life easier? What would make life easier for friends, family, or co-workers? Think about that. Think about that when you're trying to come up with an idea for your software product. And you can do that. You can also take a look at forums in your niche. You can see what questions people are asking. And you can ask yourself, would a software program or app be able to solve these problems? If you're really stuck for ideas, then Google "does anyone know how to," in quotes, and go through and see if any of the tasks that people are struggling with could be automated. Next thing you want to do is draw up a business plan. You want to carry out some detailed market research, and you want to make sure that there really is a market for your software. Otherwise, you're just simply wasting time and money. You also want to look and see if there's already a software package or an app out there. If there is, then you might be able to sell it as an affiliate. It might have private label rights or PLR. Or you might be able to purchase it outright from the developer. And if you can do that, then you can resell it with your name on it, or you can modify it and then resell it. Now, if you're writing the software yourself, well, get on with it, because procrastination will kill your new software business before it even starts. If you found a need, well, so will someone else. So time is definitely of the essence here. If you're not going to write the software yourself, then you should hire a programmer to write it for you. Okay, let's talk about how you go about distributing your software. And there are several ways you can do this. The simplest way is, of course, to sell it via your own website. But you might find it more convenient to actually sell it via a third-party cloud-based platform. And these tend to be more reliable, and some handle the payment processing too. If you're going to host your software on your own server and distribute via your own website, then a good setup to go for is WordPress with the WooCommerce plugin. You can download WordPress from wordpress.org. And if you have a hosting package that includes cPanel with either Fantastico or Softalicious, you'll probably find you can download it from within the control panel and set it up in just a few clicks. And it's all free. WooCommerce is probably the best shopping cart product out there. It does enable you to have digital products sold on your site. And there are free and paid-for versions. The free version can be downloaded from within the WordPress dashboard itself, or you can come here to wordpress.org/plugins/WooCommerce. You're going to need a lot of storage space and a lot of bandwidth if you're going to be distributing software this way. So you might want to have a third-party storage process for storing the software on, so you don't use up all your bandwidth from your hosting company. And a good one to go for is Amazon S3. It's a long URL here, so if you just go to Google or other search engines and type in Amazon S3, you'll be taken to this website here, which explains all about it. If you want to go for a full cloud hosting for your software, a good platform to go for is this one, AppDirect, which you can find here at appdirect.com. You can also host your software on JVZoo, which you'll find here at jvzoo.com. And this also means that you have the option of generating affiliate sales for your software. And finally, you can now distribute software and apps from the Amazon website itself and sell them via Amazon. And you can, if I scroll down here a bit, you can see some of the things you can have, mobile apps, Android, Fire tablets, etc. And you can read more about it at developer.amazon.com/apps and services. Now let's discuss some best practices when it comes to selling software. You want to beta test your software to get rid of as many bugs as possible, because if you're selling buggy software, then you're going to get a lot of returns. When you do sell your software, you want to make sure you have screenshots of the software on your website so people can see what it's going to look like. Or better still, have a video demonstrating your software in action so people can see exactly what it does. You should also consider a freemium distribution model. Now, what this means is you give away a basic version of your software for free, and you charge to unlock all of the features. So people can get an idea as to what it looks like, they can get an idea as to how it works, they can get used to using it, and then when they want to get all of the features, then they pay you and you send them a code and it unlocks it all. Or alternatively, you could give away a free trial version. And these usually last for about 30 days. And after that, if the person who's got the free trial version wants to continue using it, then they have to pay you and you send them a code that unlocks it and it's all fully unrestricted. And of course, you should always stand behind your product 100% and offer a prompt and courteous refund if asked. So there you go. There's a short intro into selling software for fun and profit.